How to convert image to PDF on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily convert your images to PDF on iPhone. So let's dive right in. Open up your Photos app and then open up the photo that you want to convert into PDF. So once you're there, just tap on the upward arrow icon on the bottom left. Now here you'll be able to see the print option. Just tap on it. Again tap on the upward icon at the top right. Now this will pop up, so tap on Save to Files and then just choose the location and then hit Save. And then you can just keep both. And that's it. Now you can go to your files and find this image saved in PDF format. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.